Thank you, sir. Honorable Manager, sir, respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal, sir, all worthy teachers and students, a very shining good morning to all. You should present yourself with energy, enthusiasm. While standing here, as I have seen today, that some students are presenting themselves in lethargy mood. It's not fair. My dear students, how we start the day, it passes in the same way from the beginning up to the very end. I repeat again, a very shining good morning to everyone. My voice is clear up to the rear side. I am just asking who is standing at rear side stand. Getting me? Okay. My dear students, today I have come before you to present myself on the new pattern of your 12th standard in English. You know well, when a destination is set up to travel on, then first one we have to come to know how we have to reach up to that object. And to that one, we have to come to know first one, which transport system should be applied, which buses should be caught. In the same way, when we think it over to gain the 100% result in particular subjects, we have to think it over first one about our destination. My dear students, here I am going to present what changes have been made by the CBSE in English. Your subject code is 301, you know well? 301. Maximum marks will be there 80. 2 marks have been set up by the board for practical. And now, what changes have been made, you will know. Question paper has been separated into parts now. Part A for 40 marks, Part B for 40 marks. In every question paper you find the instructions are written, but how many students go through them? First one before reaching up to the questions. I would like to instruct to you from here that instructions those are supplied in the beginning of the question paper. First one should be read properly. Because word limits, how you have to write neat, legible, in a precise manner is written there, and you should go through that first one. You will find in your question paper reading section for 20 marks, but this time the pattern has been changed due to this pandemic period, COVID-19, because it has been thought of by the board that the writing skills of the students have been affected by it. So MCQs, multiple choice type questions have been increased. Differences are there subject wise, but in English 40% multiple choice questions you will find. Question number 1 in reading section. Reading sections have been separated in 3 categories. Passages are supplied to you: discursive passage, literary passage. Now you have to think it over that what do you mean by discursive? Discursive means you find that the passage that has been supplied to you, that is running from the beginning up to the very end on the same track, that has not been set up on the same point from the beginning up to the very end. Okay, but no problem. Factual passage based on facts. Facts may be taken from newspaper, from any magazine, and that is supplied to you. Literary passage based on literature portion. Many facts have been written by the writers, by the authors, by the poets, and from where that is taken, and underneath you find the questions. Okay, 3 types of passages are there. When you go through the questions, though you will find underneath of that, first requirement is there to read it properly. It used to be told before that when subjective answers would have been written by the students, that first one read the questions, after that go through the passage. But here I would like to point that first one you have to read properly the passage that has been supplied to you. After that, you will find 11 questions. We have faced that in your SC1 exams, 11 questions were given, but all 11 questions were attempted by you because you didn't care of the instructions. So you have to do only 10 out of 11 will be better. Next, question number 2 you will find the same question number 2. Passage will be there, unseen passage, and same 11 questions will be there, but the difference will be there. First, if you find first one passage discussive, then second one factual or literary. This difference you will find. Same 11 questions you will find there also. You have to answer only 10. Okay? Have you got it properly? But first requirement is there that you have to go through the passage very properly. After that you will be able to answer the questions in a very precise manner, and 2 things are required while answering them: proper understanding and timely decision making. Otherwise you will find that the problem in time management, because in MCQs you find the answers in a very similar way, and you find yourself confused which will be the appropriate answer. Getting? So proper understanding and timely decision making while answering that. Now, next one is there. Question number 3. Next portion from here has been taken from literature for 20 marks. And question number 3 has been set up. Question number 3 has been set up based on literature. You have two books in literature, Flamingo and Vista. From both the books, you will find the extractions will be there from prose portion only. For question number 3, that will be 4 marks each. MCQ type. Getting well? Next question number 4 will be there. That 5 poems are there, and from there the extractions will be taken. 2 will be supplied to you. You have to do only 1. In question number 3, 3 will be supplied. You have to do only 2. And question number 4 also will be for 4 marks. MCQ type. Okay. The questions may be asked here: who is the poet of the poem? What is the literary device has been used? Or like I has been used there, and to whom it refers to? In the same way, the questions may be asked. So go through that one very well. That in poems, in lessons, by whom those have been written, the writer's name, the poet's name also should be very well learned by you. We have covered up question 4. Next, question number 5 will be there. In the same series, part A, the question MCQ type, question number 5 also from literature. From both the books, very short answer type questions will be there, but MCQ type. You will find here these questions for 8 marks. You will find the options, you have to mark it. Now you have come to know that what will be the problem in MCQ type questions. The problem will be there that you have to write only and only appropriate answer. It means the answer is there in yes or no. Mark is there or no mark is there. Mark is available and 0 is also available by the side of that. Okay? Before that one, it used to be that the student has written the answer and examiner doing the work on that one. Okay, some core ideas have been presented by the student and the marks will be awarded. Not fully, but half marks may be awarded. But here the MCQs are there, then how it can be thought of? Never. So my dear students, you have to work for it in a very decent way. Accuracy is required here, and I hope that every student will do hard work on that. No stone should be unturned to gain 100% marks in English. Now we have covered up 40 marks of MCQs. Right. Any doubt is there? Next part. Question number 6. Question number 6. We have got 5 questions here. Question number 6 will be there from writing section. Now writing section also has been minimized. It used to be 4 for 30 marks, but now only for 16 marks. Question number 6 you will find for 3 marks. Notice writing, advertisement writing. Okay, options will be there. 2 questions you will find. You have to do only one for 3 marks, but format should be here. If format is there, then you will be able to answer properly. My dear students, you go to cyber cafe and you say to them to prepare your resume. What they say to you, you know well? Okay, sit please here and please tell me about you. He opens before you profile and he make the changes only in that. Okay, are you getting me? The format already is ready before you and you have to make the changes in that. In the same way, you have to prepare the formats which is better, because so many examples are there, but which is better in understanding of yours, you may keep that here in your mind, and you have to make the changes when you face the same examples before you. It is the technique to do and to learn the writing section appropriately. If there is no format, it means you are just writing and removing, nothing has been learned by you. It means the students who have proper format here, they always gain 100% marks. Are you getting me? Have you got it properly? Today only every student will learn at least one format. That either may be notice writing, advertisement writing, and invitation. Poster making has been removed from your syllabus, has been deleted from your syllabus. Okay, only 3 topics are there in short writing now, and question number 7 also will be based on it. That may be for invitation. Invitations are there 2 types, formal and informal. You have to learn both. As you find the question, you have to do that. Getting well? Any problem is there? Okay. Next, question number 8. Long writing portion. We have covered up to here 6 marks. 3 plus 3. Short writing. Notice, advertisement and invitation. Okay. Next one is there. Question number 8. That will be letter writing. Letter writing, letter to editor, and job application. Now 2 are there. Placing order, business letter, complaining letter have been deleted. Keep it in your mind. Okay? You have to keep the format. You have to maintain the format of 2 topics, editorial and job application. Okay? And I have told you that format should be properly maintained in your mind. Separate marks are provided for format also in CBSE. Format, content, expression. 3 points are there while checking out the writing section. format, content, expression. And expression also has three parts. Expression, accuracy, fluency, coherency. Accuracy means grammatical mistakes are counted, should not be there. Fluency means all has been projected by you in this series, means which would have been beginning of that one. Step by step you have done it well. That is fluency, presentation of ideas, presentation of your thoughts, that is counted. Coherency means all the words those have been supplied in your writing, those correlate each other or not. There is any gap has been made, then you will lose the marks. Correlation of the ideas, those have been presented by you, should be there. Getting well in writing section, I hope that there should be no confusion. That is only for 16 marks. We have covered up the questions 6, 7, 8, 9 number. 8 letter writing, question number 9, that will be article writing and report writing. Speech and debate both have been related. Getting well? In article writing and report writing, you know well how you have to present yourself, how you have to maintain the format of that one. I have told you already in writing section. Getting well? Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 questions we have covered in writing section. Next, you will find the literature portion for 24 marks. How many marks? 24. Here. Question number 10. Yes. Short answer type questions will be there. 6 from both the books, from your Flamingo and Vistas, and poetry also may be there. 6 questions will be given to you. You have to do only 5, and each question carries 2 marks. It means 10 marks. 2 by 5 is equal to 10 is well. 10 marks will be there for 2 marks questions. After that, my dear students, again 2 marks questions, value based, have been supplied to you in the new format from your second book Vistas. Those will be value based questions. And 2 questions only will be asked there for answering. It means 2 plus 2, 4 marks. 4 plus 10, 14 marks are there. Okay. You have covered question number 11 also. For 2 marks questions too. Getting well? Okay. Next question will be there. Question number 12. 10, 11 and 12. Question number 12. From your book Flamingo, that will be for 5 marks. That will be for 5 marks long answer type questions. Per limit will be there 120 to 150. Okay, you will learn that. You have to go through the summary of all the lessons will be able to write appropriately the answer of that questions. Question number 13 also will be there for 5 marks long answer type questions from the other book. And these all 2 questions means last 2 questions. A question from Vistas may be based on value based. You know well, in value based question what you have to do? In such questions, the moral values are implemented and general ideas are asked to you also. If you would have been in place of that person, what would have been done by you? Like that, the questions are asked. Getting? In the same way as the lesson enemy, as the lesson on the face of it, many questions have been repeated in the same stream. So, go through them properly. 13 questions will be asked to you in board exam, in your pre-board exam, and I hope that no student will leave any stone unturned to win 100% marks. My dear students, winners don't do the different things. They do the things differently.